carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world. So these quotes we are sending on and off and sharing with our channel partners as well, who can keep it on your status or share it with your prospective clients so that our market remains positive. These are some of the pointers why real estate. So you all must have attended many of the webinars that are going around and many of the positive videos that are going around. So these has been taken from there. So interest rates in housing loans are at the lowest levels. Lockdown has created a demand for upgrading to a new house. Lockdown has created demand for own houses rather than rental houses. There are various schemes given by category A developers and also by other developers in the market. There is price assurance given by various developers in the market. Moving ahead to Hirandani Estate. Hirandani Estate is a 250 plus acre township. There are seven plus families residing in Hirandani Estate and 120 plus towers occupied in Hirandani Estate. So this image that you see is the skyline image of Hirandani Estate. These are the images of Hirandani Estate and actual images.
Archie, you are not audible. Your voice is cracking.
हेलो विवेक, आ रही है अभी आवाज?
हाँ, अभी आ रही है.
ओके. So these are few of the images of Hirandani Estate, skyline images of Hirandani Estate. We can share these images with you so that you can post it on your FB campaigns or any other campaigns that you want to do. Coming to social infra, Hirandani Estate has Hirandani Foundation School, which is ready. We have Hirandani Hospital, which is a 20-bed hospital inside Hirandani Estate. We have landscape gardens at various spots or various sectors in Hirandani Estate. You will find two gardens. Vivek, am I audible?
Audible.
Hi Ashish, sorry to interrupt. Can you put it in presentation mode?
Yeah, sure. Is it visible?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. I will go back to the images that I was showing. So these are the skyline images of Hirandani Estate, as you can see. These actual images, only the color combination that you see has been put in inside, but the images are actual. This is the social infra at Hirandani Estate that I was discussing. So we have a school ready, which is ICSC board. We have a 20-bed hospital at Hirandani Estate. There are landscape gardens at various sectors inside Hirandani Estate. Then the Walk High Street is a retail high street concept that we've introduced inside Hirandani Estate. So you'll find various brands in international brands in food, eateries, fashion, and we have our own supermarket called Heiko in the Walk. So this is the Heiko supermarket, which is also there in Powai. Coming to commercials, so Hirandani Business Park, we have Bayer Crop Science inside. Recently introduced last year, TCS is there inside Hirandani Estate. We have Xenia, which was constructed last year. We have rework there at Xenia building. So this that you see is a building with small offices. So we have offices of about 300 carpet to 400 carpet over here. And these offices we are selling. It's a ready to move in building. We are selling offices over here. Coming to the cultural activities or the festivals that we celebrate at Hirandani Estate. So there's Diwali lighting every year at Hirandani Estate that we do. Many of the people across Mumbai and across India come to see these lightings. And we organize half marathon. So the images that you see is of half marathon, which is organized every year in around February. So these are few activities that we do to engage the people who are already residing inside Hirandani Estate. Now coming to Solitaire. Solitaire B is a ready to move in building. This is at site. So there are 3 wings over here. This is the first A wing, then you have B wing, and then you have C wing. A wing, we've not yet started the sales. B wing is what we are promoting right now, where we have 1 BHKs. There are 6 apartments on a floor. C wing is having studio apartments. This we are selling, but we've not introduced any scheme over here at present. So we'll be talking about Solitaire B wing right now. So this is the floor plan of B wing. So as you can see, there are 6 apartments on a floor. And there are 2 layouts. One is a 352 carpet 1 BHK having a RETA carpet of 330 plus 337. Other one is a 386 carpet 1 BHK having a RETA carpet of 367 plus 37. So you can share the brochures so that you can go through the floor plans and layouts. So these 2 are 352 carpet and the 4 at the corner are 386 carpet. The major difference between these 2 1 BHKs is that this has 1 washroom in the living area, and here we'll have a powder toilet in the living area and a washroom in the bedroom. There are 4 elevators that, as you can see. Going ahead to the location map. So this is Ghodbunder Road. This is the junction of Patlipada. You come inside, then this is our main gate of Hiranandani Estate. So from here our building starts. So you'll find this is the straight road, which is called Central Avenue Road like Powai. And you'll have buildings on both the sides of the roads. You go ahead, this is the circle called Arcadia. Go ahead, on the right hand side you have the walk. Go ahead, here is our current sales office. And you go ahead, here you have Beers corporate office. You take a left, third building is Solitaire. So it's facing on the front side to this lake, and on the back side the view are of the creek that flows. So as we had seen the actual image, this is the A wing, then you have B and C wing. So these are the schemes that we've introduced. So there are 2 schemes. Customer can select either or of the scheme. So this is the first scheme, which is a rental scheme. So here you can pitch it to your investors or someone who's looking for rental benefits. So 1 BHK is of 80 lakhs approximately over here, 79.99 lakhs. The rental yield currently for a 80 lakhs 1 BHK in Hirandani Estate is around 17 to 18,000. The rental that we are proposing is 26,700. So this will be for 5 years. So for 5 years, customer will get a fixed rental of 26,700 every month. So he has to pay us in full, complete the transaction, and post that from 60 days, this rental will start for 5 years. I'll open it for a question answer round later. We'll go ahead with the other scheme. So this is the chart of the rental scheme. So as I said, there are two configurations. 352 carpet is costing 79.99, where the rental will be 26,700 for 5 years. This is for first to 29th floor, as this building is a 36 floor building. From 30 to 36, there is a slight floor rise that we've taken. So the pricing is 82 lakhs. The rental is also increasing slightly. For the second configuration of 386, the pricing is 86 lakhs 33,000. So the rental yield would be 29,000. And similarly for the 30 to 36th floor over here, the pricing is 8873 and the rental would be 29,600.
कंपनी के अर्निंग्स के बारे में, टॉप लाइन के बारे में, बॉटम लाइन के बारे में, साथ ही साथ उसको उसकी इंडस्ट्री से कंपेयर करिए और जब निवेश करें तो किसी भी प्रकार की राय लें और साथ ही साथ याद रखिए।
Going ahead to the EMI scheme. So this is the second scheme that we have introduced for end users. So an end user can pay 15% inclusive of SDR to us, and balance 85% will be his loan amount. So 85% का जो EMI होगा वो हम बेयर करेंगे 31 जुलाई 2021 तक. सो क्लाइंट का जो EMI है वो शुरू होगा डायरेक्टली नेक्स्ट ईयर अगस्त से. सो ऑफ दिस 79.99 टोटल वैल्यू, क्लाइंट विल पे 15% इंक्लूसिव ऑफ SDR टू अस. सो 79.99 का 15% भरना है हमको, एंड बैलेंस जो 85% होगा उसका जो लोन है वो हम लोग बेयर करेंगे EMI फॉर 1 year. That is approximately 13 months till 31st July 2021.